Today, we're sharing why
we can't help falling in love with Lat.
Oh, that's very nice.
We're going to show you where we stay,
What we eat.
and how we relax.
Can we do it for less than $100 a week?
Stay tuned.
Ooh la la.
All right, so we're packing up to leave. Overall for us though, it was great to see the whole neighborhood and whether or not we'd want to stay up here by this lake. So that was really great. All right, on to the Envie Hotel. Wish us luck. We checked out and ordered a $3 grab to our new hotel.
But we're early,
And our room isn't ready
so time for a coffee.
at this super cute Korean cafe that we had all to ourselves. Oh, hot.
We worked up an appetite editing.
Luckily, we found an awesome lunch spot.
That was literally out of this world. Before Elaine notices, wait, look up.
Oh, wow.
So this is my sushi taco.
We got tacos at this very cool space, like what's it called? Astronaut themed restaurant. There's a moon up on the ceiling, astronauts everywhere, and a cool soulmate riddle.
What, you never had a sushi taco? Me either. And it comes with special gear to eat. You wrap your hand and then you get in there and you take a bite. Slide that way. It's a combination sushi taco. So you gotta slide this part off here. Then you gotta slide that part down there.
Whoa.
Oh my word. I'm debating how big of a bite I should take for this. Don't look. That was unlike anything I've ever tasted. It has a fried seaweed wrap around it. Everything inside, you can see the rice, you can see the chicken. What's that called? Seaweed salad. Absolutely delicious. The flavors meld together. It's nice and warm. It's not too hot. Man, I love this country. All right, time for us to eat.
Okay, so it's smaller than our last room. We got a little spoiled, guys. But the quality is good, right? And we have a huge balcony. That's, I guess, where the other half of our space is. 3 sodas, maybe? So I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I'm glad we upgraded. The upgrade here, we'll tell you about how much it costs and all that, but definitely worth it because the other room, nice, but small. All right, let us get settled and then we'll give you a tour. Lat is known as the City of Flowers, so today we're here at the Lat City Flower Park, one of the most beautiful places in the whole city. Come on. All right, it is $50,000 per adult, and you get these little cards. Maybe they'll let us in. Already this feels like a totally different part of Vietnam. We've gone from the city center where there are scooters and people everywhere out here to where there are flowers in just every direction. Nice cool mountain air, cloudy overcast cool day. Perfect day to explore the flower park. The bonsai garden. It's like an escape from the city and definitely Instagrammer's paradise. Welcome to our balcony suite at the Envy Hotel. Let me show you the bathroom. We're super excited because this is the first bathroom in a while where we've had a door. We have a rain shower head. The water is super hot. We don't even have to turn it on. It's automatic, and it came with shampoo and conditioner. They did have toilet paper. We have since used it all. All right. They also provided a comb, toothbrushes, and toothpaste. Now, one interesting thing about this room is that it asks us to not flush the toilet paper. That is pretty common in Da Nang. We haven't seen it at any of the other hotels that we've been in up here in Lat. But that means we use the trash bins and no toilet paper goes in the toilet. Something we're not used to being from a Western culture. All right, so even though a lot of these hotels have had some amenity kits and things, they haven't had hand soap. We buy a bar of soap to use in the shower, and we use our old bars as they're getting small as our hand soaps as we go. When you come in, you do put your key, even though it has the old-fashioned key, there's a card attached, and you do need to put that in to get all the lights and hot water and everything to work. All right, Steven got locked out at night. Hold on. I gotta put this door back down. We've never had this in a hotel before, but apparently we're safe because look here, it's the door going down. Steven got us a bottle of water. And now, I just started pushing I pushed all the things over there. And then I started pushing all these things.
Thank you, love.
You're welcome. The door's going down. Push the elevator so we can take that one.
I did.
All right, let's go. They're like, this is family owned. You don't come in after midnight.
But like, he saw me leave.
Did he?
Yeah.
He didn't say anything?
No.
Ah, travel adventures.
Travel adventures.
All right, next we have a TV. It's not as big as it was in our last room, but it's worked really well. We've been able to hook our Fire Stick stuff up to it. It also has a desk that seconds as a vanity area, and it came with a little stool, but we moved it out of the way to put our suitcases and things. Has a mini fridge, 2 drawers here where we can put away all our stuff, which has been nice because this room is smaller than our last room that we had, but because of the storage space and things, it's been working out really well. There's a little closet area where we can store our bags, hang up our clothes. So this is where we dropped off our laundry. Steven picked it up. Well, Steven dropped it off and picked it up this last week.
So for 35,000 dong, we got our laundry done here in the lot. It's not all folded. The socks and the underwear aren't folded, but everything else is folded. It smells great, and we love getting our laundry done for so cheap here. No problems, no hassle. Absolutely love doing it.
We dropped it off late in the day, so we picked it up the next day. But yeah, great price. And then the bed. Now originally, this was against the wall, but we moved this nightstand over and moved it out, and it's been working great for us. A nice full-length mirror. The lighting in here is cool. It's got a bunch of different functions, including this one we can use at nighttime. And it's been really helpful for us in hotel rooms like this where there's only plugins on one side of the bed, that my plug-in has multiple USBs and USB-Cs, but that it also has several feet of cord so it can stretch and goes around and under the bed. And then the real star of the show has been the balcony. So this is a massive balcony. It's the largest one we've had at any of our hotels. And it's been rainy, but it's still covered, so we can even come out here a little bit when it's raining. We've had some crazy monsoons lately. The big El Nino thing, storms have been coming through, and it's rained almost every single afternoon.
Can you push the flower pot? Hey, there we go. Welcome to our balcony is flooded. I'm telling you guys, Mary, you're a country girl.
I think it's starting to drain. I can hear.
Gurgling.
Yeah.
Gurgle, gurgle.
Gurgle. No air can get down there yet. It's all water. It's nice to have the plants out here, you know?
It is.
But
This is the longest rain. Oh yeah, I see the little.
see the little swirl?
I see the little swirly.
All right, let me come over here. Drain number 2.
Good job. All right, what do you want to say to the people?
Love the rainstorms, but you know, like all these leaves is what happens. It gets caught in there. So one of the cool things that we were able to do on the Agoda website, we originally booked a totally different room. It just had one smaller window in it, no balcony. And I just checked and had to piece this together. So we're staying here a total of 7 nights. And at first, like 1 night opened, and then 2 more nights, and then 3 nights. Anyway, we had to piece it all together. And luckily, there's only one of these single bed balcony rooms. So we haven't had to change, even though we're under 3 separate bookings. But it's definitely something we're excited we have, because we've been able to come out here at night, eat, play games, hang out. It's been really nice in the evenings. So one thing that's really exciting about this hotel room is that we are back in one of our favorite districts. So we stayed just a block or 2 away from here a couple weeks ago. And although the room was a lot different, the area is the same, obviously, and we're really loving that. So this might be an area that we would consider getting an apartment in if we came back to Dalat in the future. All right, so for $11.66 a night, it's definitely worth the upgrade for the balcony. We would do it again. All right, we're starving, so let's go get something to eat. So back behind are the seats, tucked in behind the vendors.